In this video I am going to take input from user and I am going to print the details on web browser, right? For that I am going to create one project. To run our advanced Java program, we have to create dynamic web project, right? I am writing employee record. I am going to take data of employee and I am going to print on web browser. First I have to create HTML page, right? Before creating HTML page, we have to create web.xml file, right? On web-inf xml, right? web.xml. Here welcome file list. After that first we have to write web apna. After that welcome file list. After that welcome file, right? I am writing my HTML page or first page is index.html, right? HTML index.html. I have some problem in my IDE, that's why I am using Visual Studio Code to write our HTML code. It is best for writing HTML code. Open that, right click on index.html file and open with. I have set my default editor of HTML as Visual Studio Code. I am opening that system editor, right? I am writing here code h1 header 1 welcome. First I am going to test this code. After that I will move forward. It is working all right. Now design our HTML page. Open with system editor. First I am designing one form, right? I am writing here action to trigger our servlet program action. So we have to write method equal to post. I will tell you about get and post later in detail. I am designing the form. I am taking one table. Inside table I am taking tr table row. Inside table row I am taking td. Enter employee name na. Employee name. Only I am writing name. I am writing one more td table data to take input. Type text. Name equal to name, right? I am taking one more tr. Inside tr td. Inside td one more td. Name. First I am taking input as id. After that name. Input type text. name equal to name, right? Mobile number, right? I'm taking email, em, gender, right? Department, after that I am taking salary, now check how our HTML page is looking like. I have to bring this in center. For that I am writing CSS code. I am creating one class inside a style tag, right? To create class we use dot operator and name the class CLS. I am writing class as CLS. First width I am writing 70%, height I am writing 80%, background where I am taking yellow green, border I am taking 5px, solid right, margin outward to put our form in center, style margin auto, right? Now one more time refresh. Writing here class equal to CLS, right? Now all the things will reflect. Not 70%, only 40%, it will be enough. Right? We didn't design submit page. Submit button. Here td input type submit, right? Value upload constant to. I am putting this td tag inside center tag to put in center, right? No, control Z, control S. Now it is fine. We can move forward and write our servlet class. You have to design your patternage, so Control C. Right, inside Java resource src /main /java I am creating one package test package paste. Right, here I am creating one servlet program or class display servlet. Right, we didn't imported servlet API jar file. I am going to import. Right click on project, build path, configure build path, class path, add external jar, servlet API jar file available inside Tomcat lib folder. We have to locate our Tomcat. Tomcat generally installed in C folder. Default location is program files, Apache Server Foundation, Tomcat 9. Go to lib, search for servlet API, apply and close. Right here @web servlet annotation, web servlet right here. So this should matches with home tag action equal to show value. This and this should be same. I am creating this program using generic servlet. Extends generic servlet. Right, you have to implement the method like this: public void service http servlet request req servlet pons response res. It is going to throw two exceptions: throws servlet exception, comma IO exception. Right, I am manually writing all the code to note for. I am writing all the code manually. If we auto generate all the code, then we will learn nothing and we will forget the code after some time. Now import the package. To import the package, I am pressing Ctrl Shift and O. Right here @override to check this method is overridden from generic servlet class or not. Now we can move forward and do our operation. I am taking data from HTML page. First name, string name equal to request dot get parameter name. Right, why error, no error. Name int id equal to integer dot parseInt request dot get parameter id, right? After that, mobile number long mob equal to long dot parse long request dot get parameter mob, right? I am going to read email. Get parameter method return type is a string, right? In previous video I have taken input from HTML page but not properly done, right? I have read the department. After that, salary sal equal to double dot parse double dot get parameter sal, right? After taking data from the user, we have to display on web browser. To display on web browser, first we have to take the help of print writer, because we can't write directly on browser. Print writer, we use sysout statement to print on console. We use print writer object, print writer reference variable to print the data on browser. Pw equal to response dot get writer, right? And print writer method has println method, which is going to print data on browser. To print data on browser, we have to first set the response content type as text or HTML. If we don't write this, then only the whatever code we are going to write, that is only printed on our web browser. We have to convert into text or HTML format, right? Pw dot println name now, right? Plus name. After that, id plus id, mobile number plus mob. After that, email plus email plus gender gm, right? Department salary plus sal. Now run the program. We will get our desired output. New writing. I have taken id as integer now, then I have to enter only integer value 1 2 3. Name Ajay Kumar. Mobile number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Email abc@gmail.com. Gender male. Department developer. Salary 80 how you write upload data. I forget, we have to write br instead of /n because browser is not accepting /n, where you have to write br to change the line. Br right. I'm running one more time. ID 321, name Rahul Raj, while 123456, email vnc@gmail.com, gender male, department accounts, salary 8123, upload data. Our data printed successfully, right? Thank you.